In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that integrates seamlessly with e-commerce stores, making it easy to manage campaigns and track data. So, let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Klaviyo homepage. From there, navigate over to the left-hand corner and click on the Integrations option. This is a crucial step because it allows Klaviyo to interact with your e-commerce platform, pulling in product details and other necessary data. Make sure that your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, is already added and properly linked. If not, you'll need to set up this integration first to proceed smoothly. Once your integrations are up and running, look towards the left-hand menu again and click on Content. By doing this, you'll now have access to the Products section. Clicking on Products will reveal a list of items that have been imported from your e-commerce platform. This is the foundation of our task today, to leverage these products within our email campaigns. Now that we have our products readily available in Klaviyo, let's move on to the next step, which is all about working with campaigns. In the left-hand menu, click on Campaigns. This will open up a view that shows all current campaigns. To add a product to a specific campaign, you need to identify it first. Find the campaign you're interested in, and near it, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots and select Edit Campaign from the drop-down list. As you are adjusting your campaign, look towards the top right corner, where you'll find the Edit button. Selecting this option will take you into the campaign editor. Once inside, navigate toward the Blocks section in the editor interface. Here, you'll see a variety of options you can drag into your email template. Find the product block, drag it into your campaign layout, and then drop it into your desired location. Now we need to specify the settings for this block. Once you've placed the product block into your email campaign, click on Static in the block settings. This designation is vital if you want the same set of products to be consistently showcased every time the email is sent, which is ideal for campaigns showcasing special promotions or new items. Next, click on Add Products. This action will take you to a list of all your products imported from your e-commerce platform. Carefully select the products you wish to feature. Once selected, click Add Products again to finalize your choices. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you're able to integrate your e-commerce products directly into Klaviyo email campaigns, providing a seamless experience for both you and your recipients. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or explore Klaviyo's help resources for additional clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.